Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Keeping our living spaces clean and tidy is essential for a healthy and comfortable lifestyle. However, sometimes it can be quite challenging to tackle stubborn stains, grime, or dirt on various surfaces. That's where electric cleaning brushes come to the rescue. These innovative tools are designed to provide powerful and efficient cleaning, saving you time and effort. In this article, we will explore the top 5 best electric cleaning brushes available in the market today. Known for their outstanding performance, durability, and versatility. Whether you need to deep clean your bathroom tiles, scrub your kitchen surfaces, or revitalize your outdoor furniture, these electric cleaning brushes are sure to meet your needs. So let's dive in and discover the remarkable features and benefits of each of these top-rated electric cleaning brushes that will help you maintain a sparkling clean home effortlessly. Number 5. Liectroux HCR-10 Electric Cleaning Brush. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Liectroux HCR-10 Electric Cleaning Brush, and I must say that it has greatly simplified my cleaning routine. This compact and versatile device has proven to be a valuable addition to my household cleaning arsenal. One of the standout features of the Liectroux HCR-10 is its powerful performance. With a power rating of less than 800 W, this cleaning brush efficiently tackles various cleaning tasks with ease. Whether it's scrubbing tiles, removing grime from hard-to-reach corners, or cleaning surfaces, the HCR-10 delivers impressive results. The brush's bristles are designed to be effective without causing damage, making it suitable for a wide range of surfaces. The HCR-10's cord length of 4 meters provides ample reach, allowing me to maneuver around the room without constantly switching power outlets. The device's voltage range of 100 to 240 V is also convenient, as it means I can use it in different countries without worrying about voltage compatibility. Number 4. OIMG HLY31 Electric Cleaning Brush. I recently had the opportunity to try out the OIMG HLY31 Electric Cleaning Brush, and I must say, it has transformed my household cleaning routine. With its eco-friendly design, impressive cleaning power, and durable build, this electric cleaning brush has become an invaluable tool in maintaining a clean and tidy home. In this review, I will delve into the features and benefits of the OIMG HLY31, highlighting why it's a worthwhile addition to any cleaning arsenal. The standout feature of the OIMG HLY31 is its powerful cleaning performance. Equipped with a high-speed electric motor, this cleaning brush effortlessly tackles stubborn stains, grime, and dirt on various surfaces. Whether it's bathroom tiles, kitchen countertops, or even outdoor patio furniture, the OIMG HLY31 proves to be an effective and efficient cleaning companion. The OIMG HLY31 offers versatility in its cleaning applications. With its interchangeable brush heads, it caters to different cleaning needs. The scouring brush head is perfect for scrubbing away tough stains, while the softer brush head works well for more delicate surfaces. The brushes are easy to attach and detach, making it a breeze to switch between tasks. Number 3. CHOVERY CL1 Electric Cleaning Brush. I recently had the opportunity to try out the CHOVERY CL1 Electric Cleaning Brush, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations. This versatile and efficient cleaning tool has become an indispensable part of my cleaning routine. In this review, I will share my thoughts on its performance, features, and overall user experience. The performance of the CHOVERY CL1 electric cleaning brush is outstanding. With a power rating of less than 800 W, it strikes a perfect balance between effectiveness and energy efficiency. The brush's rotating action combined with its powerful motor ensures that even the toughest dirt and grime are effectively removed. Whether it's cleaning windows, tiles, or other surfaces, this cleaning brush gets the job done swiftly and effortlessly. One of the standout features of the CHOVERY CL1 is its 5-meter-long cord. This ample cord length allows for easy maneuverability and eliminates the need for frequent unplugging and replugging. I appreciate the freedom to move around without being constrained by a short cord. Furthermore, the brush's compact size, 300,150,120 millimeters, makes it easy to handle and store when not in use. Number 2. LEYANFIT 2022 Electric Cleaning Brush. The LEYANFIT 2022 electric cleaning brush has revolutionized my household cleaning routine. With its eco-friendly and stock features, this handheld device has become an indispensable tool for tackling various cleaning tasks. In this review, I will discuss its design, functionality, battery life, and overall performance, highlighting its standout features and benefits. The LEYANFIT 2022 electric cleaning brush boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and operate. Its adjustable extension allows for reaching difficult areas, and the lightweight construction, weighing only 1 kg, ensures ease of maneuverability. The brush set includes either 6 or 10 different brushes, catering to a wide range of cleaning needs. The brush heads are easily interchangeable, further enhancing the device's versatility. Equipped with a powerful 2600 mAh rechargeable battery, the LEYANFIT 2022 offers an impressive working time of 60 to 80 minutes. The USB-DC charging option provides flexibility and convenience, allowing users to recharge the device easily. With a charging time of only 2.5 hours, the brush is always ready for action when needed. Number 1. WMJS Electric Cleaning Brush. I recently purchased the LEYANFIT 2022 electric cleaning brush, and I must say, it has revolutionized my household cleaning routine. This powerful and versatile tool has exceeded my expectations in every aspect, making it a must-have for any cleaning enthusiast. First and foremost, the LEYANFIT 2022 is incredibly user-friendly. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold and maneuver, allowing me to effortlessly reach even the most challenging areas. The adjustable extension feature is a game-changer, as it enables me to clean high shelves and tight spaces without straining myself or relying on step stools. Whether it's cleaning ceilings, baseboards, or behind furniture, this brush gets the job done with ease. One of the standout features of the LEYANFIT 2022 is its exceptional battery life. With a powerful 2600 mAh battery, I can enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions for 60 to 80 minutes. This extended working time is perfect for tackling larger cleaning projects, or for those who prefer to clean multiple areas at once. Additionally, the quick charging capability impresses me. With just 2.5 hours of charging via USB or DC, I'm ready to go again in no time. Thanks for watching this video.